Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies by Ijaz Ansari. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare an 8x8 pan. We'll walk through ingredients, techniques, and timing so your brownies turn out fudgy and evenly baked. I explain step by step how to melt chocolate, mix batter without overworking it, and know when brownies are done. Follow along at a relaxed pace and ask questions in the comments. In this video, I will show how to make brownies by Ijaz Ansari. Start by melting chocolate and butter together until silky, then set aside to cool slightly. Whisk eggs and sugar until pale, then fold the chocolate in gently to keep the batter airy but dense. Add flour and salt carefully, mixing just until combined to prevent a cakey result. I'll share tips for texture and timing so you get. In this video, I will show how to make brownies by Ijaz Ansari. Place the pan in the center of the oven and bake until edges are set and a toothpick shows moist crumbs but not raw batter. Cooling in the pan helps the brownies finish setting, so slices are neat and fudgy. I'll cover how long to cool, how to add final toppings, and simple storage tips to keep brownies fresh and chewy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.